Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new project. We are going to be doing one of my junk journaling ephemera unboxing things because I just got my latest box from the Cora Crea folks and I want to see what's in it. I think it has something to do with alchemy, which is a fascinating thing. I mean, who doesn't want to take pretty much anything and turn it into solid gold, right? Just saying. So we are going to open this box and take a look. And then we're gonna show off some stuff from the box, get it into the journal, if it makes sense, because, you know, this journal makes so much sense. I'm kidding, it does not make any sense at all. All right, let's take a look. Here we go. Look at that, the Alchemy box is unique. Each item you received was designed and created specifically for this box. Enjoy your unique vintage style and alchemy themed items. You voted for this theme. I actually did not. That must have been before I signed up. Thank you to those of you who voted for your favorite theme on Instagram. Okay, I also don't follow her on Instagram, so my bad. And I don't get her newsletter. I guess I better sign up for some stuff, huh? Thank you for your order. Enjoy the September Alchemy box. Autumn is around the corner. Let's celebrate this beautiful season with a box curated around that theme. Oh, this is in the next box. I was gonna say alchemy, huh? So the next box will be pumpkin foil, washi tape, vintage mushroom washi tape, a clear stamp that has to do with fall, a wooden stamp that has to do with fall, and leaves, deer, mushrooms, etc. Let's see what alchemy's all about this month. Cool. Looks like I'm gonna need an ink pad, but that's okay, I can get one. And an acrylic block, which of course I don't have. I have resin blocks. I'll go get one of those too. Be right back. Okay, so while she's gone, getting that stuff she just talked about, I wanted to have a little chat with you guys. Here's the thing. This is slightly off topic. I have made and accumulated a vast ocean of tumblers over the past couple years. And I really want to get rid of some of these cups. I make a lot of them for my YouTube videos, as you've seen. And while I do sell some of those in my Etsy store, for various reasons I don't always list all my cups to sell. Either I'm not totally thrilled with how the cup turned out, or I don't have the materials to make another one if somebody wants another one, or wants it in a different color or something, or it was just way too labor intensive and I don't want to make it again, ever. So here's what I've come up with to help you possibly win one of my cups and help me get some space back in my house. So it's a win-win idea. And I also really wanted to do this in a fun way. So here's what I'm proposing. In occasional future random videos, and you'll never know when, you'll never know which video, you'll never know where in the video, there will be inserted a 1 second clip, showing a cup and a single random word. Now I'm going to show you an example right here, but it's just an example, okay? The clip I'm about to show is strictly for explanation purposes only, not because I'm actually giving this cup away. This is not one of those videos I'm talking about. Okay, so here's what this random insert would look like in a future video. Now once you see something like that in a future video, rather than just instantly scrolling down to the comments section and typing in tomato or tomato as your single word comment, you will need to be a little more clever than that. In fact, if you enter a comment that's just that one word, whatever the word is, it will not count as an entry in the giveaway, okay? The truth is, I will probably delete it just to make it go away, because what's going to happen, possibly, is people who look at the comment section for any reason will see a bunch of comments that all just say the word tomato or tomato, and they'll think it's some sort of, I don't know, contest or game or something, so they'll type the word tomato or tomato also, and that takes away from your chances of being the winner, because the odds go up with more entries, and it also takes away from the idea that they will have watched the video, right? I mean, if they're just putting it in because they saw other people putting the comment there, they didn't watch the video, I don't get the views, it's no longer a win-win situation. So instead, you need to be a little more clever than that and make the word fit into a comment that you might actually leave for me. For example, using this tomato thing, if you commented maybe, I'm using an old tumbler to try and grow a tomato plant indoors this winter. See, that would actually not be too bizarre a comment for you to leave. And it contains the magic word. So the random winner picker and I will both count it as an entry, right? However, you also don't want to be too clever and out-cleverize yourself and say use the word tomato in a foreign language or, I don't know, dots, dashes of Morse code or something like that the random picker and I will not understand and therefore will not count as an entry. Just don't go over the top with your cleverness. I'm afraid I have to limit these random occasional single cup giveaways to US recipients only. I'm really sorry about this. I opened my 5K subscriber giveaway to international, and if we ever get to the 10K subscriber level, I will have another giveaway open to everyone on planet. I still can't do off planet. I'm trying to work with Jeff Bezos about this, but I haven't quite got it nailed down yet. But that will be whenever I get to 10,000 subs, and who knows? Who knows when that's going to happen? So for now, I need to keep these US only so that I can afford to do them. And I sincerely apologize to my international viewers, but this is sort of a limitation I have to set. The giveaway in each of these random occasional videos will be open for 24 hours only after the video goes public. I usually release my videos between 5 and 6 a.m. Eastern Standard on Saturdays, Sundays, and Wednesdays, and occasionally on a Monday now and then. Since not everyone has the opportunity to view them first thing, the chance for leaving a valid entry comment will be open for the first 24 hours after the video drops. Once that 24 hours has passed, I will come back and enter the word closed at the very beginning of the description under the video. Nobody else will understand what that means, but you guys will know. That means it's not going to be open for any more comments. So this is pretty much our little secret. Most of my viewers don't watch these ephemera unboxing videos. Most want to watch cup tutorial videos. So those of you who actually watch these unboxing videos with me, first of all, thank you very much. And second of all, you are now in the know. You are the special ones, and this is just between us, so shh. A couple last points. I reserve the right to stop doing these random cup giveaways at any time for any or no reason. If for any reason you have a question about what I just talked to you guys about, don't leave it down in the comments section because that will alert people who haven't watched the whole video to come back and watch it again, and then you guys aren't the only ones in on the secret, right? So, my email is also down in the description area. Just send me an email and ask me the question there. Remember, this is just between you and me. And now, back to the unboxing. Okay, I'm back. I have my resin block for stamping purposes. I have a couple different ink pads. Let's take a look at what we got. Here's our first stamp. It's a beautiful wooden one. These take up more room, but they're also, frankly, a little easier to use because you don't need a separate tool. So this is, let's see, it looks like a flask, a scientific flask with an angel in it in water or some liquid, and bursts of something coming out the top and a lot of scientific equation-y stuff. So yeah, I guess that's alchemy or somebody's vision of alchemy. I will swatch these at the end, but this looks like griffins. Is there such thing as a two-headed griffin? That must be something. I guess this is just magical scientific-y stuff. I don't know. I'm not sure how this applies to alchemy, but why not, right? I see different symbols, different names, different crests. Again, not entirely sure how it relates, but it looks old and mystical, because I think alchemy was considered as much magic as the science they had back then. And then we have the same images I'm seeing on the washi tape we have here in bigger form. I don't think these are stickers. I think they're just papers, but let me see if I can... Nope, they're stickers. Ha, yay. You know me, sticker witch. Because I don't like using that other W word that I am for stickers. All right. And here we have another set of stamps. This is what our resin block is for. We can test some of these out. And here I have an envelope full of goodies. She really went to a lot of expense and trouble. I'm sure this took a lot of time to track down. Finding these old labels and images. Alchemist Stone Elixir. Flask of Titan's Essence. Wow, I bet that was hard to get a hold of. Elixir of Life. A potion that grants the drinker eternal life and or eternal youth. This elixir is also said to cure all diseases. Wow, I want a bottle of that, man. Corrupt Oil of Immortality. Essence of Basilisk. Wow. Essence of oh my God. Essence of Basilisk Venom. I can't talk today. Flask of Distilled Wisdom. Oh man, I could use some of that. Mine has run dry. Greater Arcane Elixir requires Dreamfoil, Mountain Silver Sage, and Ethereal Essence. And then we have these images again that I've seen on some of the stamps and the washi tape. I like how they've gone to the trouble of not just making them look old with like coffee dyeing, but also making a mess of the edges. Okay, here we have some, oh, these are nice. Translucent stickers, look at that. How cool. I like those a lot. All right, and finally, ooh, more dyed paper. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Has that nice crinkle to it. That is very cool. That would be a great cover right there on it for a folio. Let's try out some of our new things. Cause let's. Oh, there's so much stuff. Look at that. I forgot to show this the last time when I did the last unboxing and there were Beatle tickets. I was so excited and it never even occurred to me to open my journal to the page that I had set up. This is from the Time Life Beatles Come to America from back in the '64. So yeah, I took one of the tickets that I was raving about in the last unboxing video and I put it there because that's where it belongs. I need to put the other tickets there. So we have lots of stuff. This is my trip to Old Forge with some high school buddies a few weeks ago. And the reason there's so many receipts is because it was an 8-hour drive, and after we drove 8 hours and got there, I realized I'd left my suitcase at home, and I had no clothes except the ones I was wearing. So I spent the first day shopping. That's a big part of my memories of that trip. Being embarrassed and having to go buy clothes. Here we go. We'll use this spread. Let's try this stamp first. Pretty nice quality. I'm not sure if that's actual writing at the top, but it didn't smear or anything. That looks pretty good. All right, let's see what other stamps we got here. I'm gonna give one or two a try. Let's try this one. Yeah, I'll put it right in the middle. Maybe I'll actually be able to figure out where that is. Right in the middle. Yeah, cool beans, look at that. That is a very nice quality stamp. All right. Take a look at those. See what we have here so far. Hopefully you can see some of this. Do one of these stickers because they are so cool. The Alchemists. The science of producing nature's grand secret is a perfect knowledge of universal nature and art concerning the realm of metals. That sounds pretty. I'm going to put that where the sciencey page is that I have. This is science and maths, so we'll do it here. There is no law that says you have to put things straight vertical, straight horizontal. I tend to put everything askew because that way I don't have to worry about it. Look at that, I've got glitter on it already. Go figure. Okay, just to remind me that this all came from Cora Crea Crafts. I will have links to everything below that I've used. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it interesting, possibly a little entertaining, possibly maybe even a little exciting, who knows? Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a safe day, everyone. I will see you in the next video.